Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have an important coding question which was asked in the TCS NQT April 13 shift. So the problem is find the number of rotations and the index of the element in the sorted array. A sorted array is rotated k times in the clockwise direction. So here now we are assuming that they will only give an rotated sorted array. Okay, now rotated the two clockwise direction. Okay, they will not give a unsorted array. Okay, now we are assuming like that and we have solved this question in that way. Okay, so given this, okay, the next thing is given this rotated array of size n and a target element k, so they will give these two elements and these two things, and that is size array elements and the k element, and therefore we have to find the number of rotation performed on the original array to sort that particular array. And the second thing is find the index of the kth element in the sorted array. Okay, and here let's move, this is the catch here. If kth element is not found, we have to print -1. Okay, and the test cases are 7 is the n value, 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 is an array element, and 2 is the kth value. So here the output is 4. 4 is the count of that rotation count. This is a rotation count for, and one is the kth index. Okay, na kth index. So how to solve this? See, what is the rotation count means? This 4, how it means 4. See, first push this 4, remove this 4 and push it at the last. Okay, then what the array will be? 5 6 7 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then in the next iteration, this is now the count will be 1. So again 5, you push, remove this 5 from the starting and push it at the last. So what will be the array? 6 7 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so now the count is 2, and therefore 6, again you remove 6 and push it at the last. So what will be the array? 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so the count here is now 3, and at last the 7 we will remove from the first and put it at the last, push it at the last. So the final array will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 will be the sorted array. So there is no need of pushing, again removing and pushing at the last. So the rotation count is 4, and in the sorted array the kth index is 1. Okay, na kth index, that is tooth index is 1. So now let's move to the coding part. So here I have taken a scanner class to take the input. So here I haven't taken the a normal array, I have taken the dynamic array. Okay, see, I have taken the array list dynamic array. Because it will be easy to remove, to add the elements from the first, and removing from the removing elements from the particular index and adding at the particular index or at the last, it will be easy. So I have taken here the array list. So here I have taken two variables. One is the rotation count and another is a boolean b, which is equals to, I have called one method here. I have declared one method, user defined method is sorted. So that is the two, that method is a static method, no, so need not to create any of the what object, and directly with the help of class name we can call that method. And here I have taken is is a method and it's accepting one argument called a list. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm running a loop. I'm checking whether that element, the first, okay, I will explain you this guy by making use of test case. So first, okay, in this rotation count at the starting is 0. So first, what it will come, the compiler will check this main dot is sort of array list. What is array list? Our original array. So array list I'm passing here. So it will accept here, and so let's move to the test case. Here, see, what will happen is 4. Is this 4? It will start from 0th index only. 4 is greater than 5. It will check. Yes. No, sorry, no. So 4 is greater than 5? No. It will not execute this statement. Again, the next loop. Again, it will be, I will be moved to the 5. So 5 is greater than 6. No. Again, this condition will not work. Okay. And the next thing, what will happen is, again, the 6 is greater than 7. No. 7 is greater than 1. At this position, what will happen is, at this position, 7 is greater than 1. Yes, it will perform true here. Okay, and then it will return false. Okay, so I'm explaining what at the starting in the b it will be false. Okay, now not of false is true. So it will enter into a while loop, and what I am doing is starting element. See, I am removing this zeroth index. I have compared this and but I am removing these elements. Okay, now think visually. Okay, I am removing. Okay, now first I will remove zeroth index. I will remove 4, and what I will do, I will add that 4 at the last. See, this is the this is the benefit of using the dynamic array list. In that same array list, without creating a new list, we can remove and we can add. This is the best, okay, now benefit of that array list. So again, what I will do, I will remove 4 and will put at the last. Again, see, I have added. So now the array will be 4, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now see 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and with 4 it will be there. So now what I have to do? I have to remove this 4 also. No. So again I have taken al dot remove of zeroth index. So it will remove this 4. Okay, now so the final resultant array will be 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now what? So see, now I'm incrementing the rotation count as 1. Okay, now and then again I'm putting that same boolean value here again. Again, what will happen? This again these things will happen. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. So now the array will be 5, 6, 7, 1 2 3 4. Okay, again it will compare the same thing. Again 5 is greater than 6, no. 6 is greater than 7, no. 7 is greater than 1, yes. Again it will remove the 5 and it will add at the last by this logic. Okay, again the boolean thing will be false only. Okay, again it will be false only. It will return false. Okay, okay, no, sorry, no, it will return false only. So okay, at last, okay, now at last after sorting an array, what it will happen at this position? See, again B will be, again this loop will run at last element at the seventh, at this point. At last means 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At this final resultant array, again it will 7 is greater than 1. Okay, now again this statement is going to be executed and it is going to return false. No, after that iteration in this loop, again, okay, now the count will be 4. Okay, now the count will be 4 at the resultant. Okay, now at last one at this resultant array, now the count will be 4. Okay, now what will happen again? Okay, now again this method, this line is going to execute. So now what will be the array? Array will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. No, so no. Okay, 1 is greater than 2. No. 2 is greater than 3? No. 3 is greater than 4? No. 4 is greater than 5? No. 5 is greater than 6? No. 6 is greater than 7? No. So all it will, okay, now this statement will never execute it, and at last it will return true. So at this position, it in the B it will be true, and true of not is false. At that time this loop is going to break. So at last what I'm doing, I'm just printing that rotation count, and you see if that kth element is not founded. Okay, now if it is not found, see array list has one, okay, now beautiful method called index of. Okay, we can see it has inbuilt method, okay, now to find that index. So if it is 0, 0 means what? It is not there like that. Okay, if it is 0, okay, now if that index is 0, let's, okay, I don't know what it will give. Let's print. Okay, now wait. Okay, now I think it will give -1, I guess. What I will do is ut, and I will paste this here and see. Okay, now I will run one loop. Okay, I will give on two elements with three elements. 1 2 3. See, not this is not, I'm just checking this index off. Okay, so I will give 6. See, it's giving -1. It's giving -1. So directly we can print it. Okay, I can, there is no need of this also. Okay, directly we can print. Okay, so I have done this. So there is no need of if else statement also. So we will, okay, now we will take this input only. So I'm running and I will take 7 elements. So first 4 5 6 7 1 2 3. Okay, now I will hit enter, and here now I will take the index of 7. Okay, the kth element is 7, or we'll take 2 only, or no, we'll hit enter. See, the rotation count is 4 and the index of that particular element 2 and the sorted array is 1. So this, like this we will solve this question. We'll see one more test case, that is we'll hit 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, see, I will hit enter and I will give index of 1. See, here the rotations count are 0 because it's a already sorted array. See, here we are not passing unsorted array, that you should keep it in your mind. If they pass unsorted array, this while loop will never end only. Okay, so keep it in your mind. So, and then 0, and this is also 0, means 0th index, that one is there. So I hope you guys understood this concept and this question. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.